Good morning, everyone. Today we will be understand about the meaning of the bakery. Why bakery and confectionery is very important, and how this establishment are selling the sweets, what types of sweets, what is the meaning of bakery, and what is the meaning of confectionery. So when you say bakery, so the meaning of the bakery is a bakery is an establishment that produces and sells flour-based food baked in an oven. Okay, see the meaning. The meaning of the bakery is an establishment. But when you come to confectionery, this is also an establishment. But the confectionery is responsible for selling only sweet items. And bakery sells all sweet items along with flour-based baked items. So a bakery is an establishment that produces and sells flour-based food baked in an oven, such as bread, different types of cookies, different types of cakes, and different types of pies. And also they are responsible for selling different types of sweet dishes. So when you come to the bakery, there are different types of techniques which you use in bread making or making different types of bakery items. So first technique is kneading. You have to knead the dough well. After that, proofing. This is the second process. This is the first. This is the second. After that, you have to knocking back. Knocking back means putting the air to your dough. Okay, and shaping. Last, we will give a nice shape, accurate shape to the bread or bread bakery items, whatever you make. And second proofing is also very important, which is done by giving a little bit of temperature to the bakery item. And after that, you will do the glazing. Glazing, you can add different glazing agents like egg. Also, egg is also a glazing agent which can provide color to the bakery item. And at last, we'll bake the item. So baking, at last baking is done and the product will come out. Okay, these are the techniques mostly used in bakery. And there are different types of breads available all over the world, and there are very famous also. These breads are very famous also, like bread loaves, dinner rolls, plates, breadsticks, twist, truffles, wholemeal bread, fruit bread, croissant, hot cross buns, scones, and crumpets. These are all bakery items. So, for making all these bakery items, we need a few ingredients, which is very important. First ingredients is refined flour, sugar, fat, and liquids. So only these five are the ingredients that are used mostly in bakery items. So what is yeast? Yeast is a microorganism that is responsible for rising the bread dough. So for making the yeast active, you need food. First, you have to provide food to the yeast. How? The food is sugar and gluten, which naturally is present in the refined flour, that is known as gluten. So this gluten naturally stay in the refined flour. Okay, so these are the food for the rising of the yeast, because yeast is responsible for rising the dough. Number two, we need 1. That means the accurate temperature. Okay, mild temperature is required for rising the yeast. So this is also very important point. Okay, and at last moisture is also added for the yeast, and this moisture is supplied by the liquid and oxygen, that means taken from the atmosphere. For the yeast rising, these 4 things are very important and responsible for the dough rising. Thank you.